Once upon a time, a fairy thirsty and was drinking water from the river. Help! 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 Cried, and the ant could no longer hear his cry. Suddenly, the ant let his glance fell into the river. A dog sitting on a tree nearby saw that the ant was in the trouble. She quickly off the leaf from the tree and dropped into the water. The ant clambered off the leaf. The then hit the dog for saving his life. After a few days, the dog sitting on a tree. The ant saw a hunter aiming his arrow at the dog. The ant knew that his friend, the dog, was in the danger. He quickly beat the hunter away. The hunter's arrow missed the dog. This time, the ant saved and the dog.
Baby, you oh, you oh, you oh, yeah. You oh, you oh,